So hey guys, hey Vamis, welcome to my channel. And if you are new, I'm Karbglam, and in this channel you are supposed to watch all about makeup reviews, skincare reviews, new products coming, what is trendy, fashion, shopping haul, girly glam haul. So but today the video is a little different because I want to share with y'all a get ready with me. So I'm gonna start getting ready while I'm sharing some tips with y'all. And today I am a bridesmaid, so I'm gonna be in a wedding and I'm gonna share with y'all a bridesmaid look. I still don't know what I can create in those eyes, but definitely let's discover. I just wake up, it's like 8 something. I took my shower and I'm rushing, so I need to think what I'm gonna do in my hair and all that kind of stuff. So no further to do, let's gonna start. But first, remember to subscribe to this channel. Welcome to the Glam Fam, and hit the notification bell so you can miss any of my future allows, because I'm bringing so new content. So now let's gonna jump into it. So okay guys, as I said, my shower and cleaning, I already did my skincare morning routine packed with vitamin C and all that good stuff. You know how it is. So now I'm gonna make the eyebrows, and I'm gonna make a really easy way to make eyebrows because I really don't have time. We need to travel here to 2 hours on the road, so I'm kind of rushing. Hoy voy a hacer una dama de honor de un matrimonio, así que quiero compartir un look con ustedes. Todavía no sé qué me voy a hacer, pero aquí lo iremos descubriendo en el camino. Ya mi rostro está listo, ya me bañé, tengo toda la rutina hecha, mucha vitamina C, y ahora vamos a empezar con unas cejas simples porque estoy de afán. Bueno, esto es una ceja simple, no necesito ponerme mucho color en la ceja, como siempre les ayudo en mi Instagram. This is an easy eyebrows. I don't need to put that much makeup on it, just like little soft touches like you want to touch at all. And you can use so good pencils in the market. This is the best way when you're rushing. You can make with eyeshadow, you can make with Balmain, you can make with whatever you want, but for me this is the most easy when I'm in a rush day. So that's everything that I do. But this is all. You see? Okay, I definitely don't know what style that I'm gonna be dressed in. I was thinking about something like soft glam with a pop of color. So now I'm gonna explain. Let's go slowly, step by step. My dress is a baby blue, so I don't know if I want an all baby blue look, or I was thinking in something like nude with a little pop of color in blue shades. So the palette that I love for this look definitely is the Morphe 551. You see my nails already done, match perfectly with the theme. And the shades of blue that I can be working are those. I can be working with this, a pastel blue, and definitely this baby shimmer blue. So I still don't know what look to see. So I'm gonna try in one eye what I want, and I think that I come back to do the other eye with y'all guys. So the other palette I got is the Frozen, and here is just like those two shades that I like, but I'm gonna be using more the Morphe Icy. So you see something like this, like soft with a pop of color, but it still needs some more details. So now I'm gonna do the other eye. First step for our eyes is apply our base. I'm using the P.Louise in the shade Rumour 02. So now I'm gonna be picking this palette, the iconic London palette, which is such beautiful neutral colors here, and I'm gonna be applying with a big brush, like this. This is BH Cosmetic, and I'm gonna be applying this shade like nude. It's Peaches and Dreams, that's the name. Peaches and Dreams, and I'm gonna make us my transition shade. It's so clear, you can see, don't worry. Estoy cogiendo una sombra así como color duraznito y me la voy a poner aquí en la transición con una brocha grande. Ahora voy a tomar una brocha medianita y me voy a aplicar esta otra shade here called Bellini. And after Bellini, I'm gonna use a Merlot Mondays, which is like a rose color. You see the difference? It's like a little orangey, and this look like a little rose color. So, esta sombra es un poco más como salmoncita, duraznito quemado así. Y sin miedo, me la voy a repasar aquí en todo el párpado de afuera, de adentro, y lo voy a mezclar bien porque este es el truco y estas sombras mezclan súper bien. We're gonna blend so good. That's the trick. There's no other trick like blend, blend, and blend. And after that, I'm gonna take the Merlot Mondays. What I say is like a rose color, and I'm gonna put a lot of that rose color more in the outer corner of the eye. Getting a little bit here, and the, the next shade is a brown. I'm gonna be using this light brown called Top the Top, and I'm gonna be just this is Deep Soul, and it's a dark brown. Voy a tomar un brown claro y un brown oscuro. Entonces me voy a poner con otra brocha un poco más pequeña el brown. Y voy a cubrirme esta sombra rose que hice así, un muy poquito, sobre todo más en la transición. I'm gonna cover this a little more. You see how to change the color. And after that, I'm gonna do the dark brown, that is Deep Salt. And I'm gonna put the dark just right here. Ahora voy a tomar el marrón oscuro y lo voy a poner más en el lado de afuera y lo voy a blend y lo voy a mezclar. From the outer corner, the dark brown, carry a little bit here, like tell me like a triangle or something, and put just a little bit on here, just a little bit. The only you care is in the outer corner, like on here. You're gonna put a little bit more. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. So I'm gonna take the same base, but this is not a deep cut crease. It's just like something really quick and gonna be natural. So it's short. You know, hit the measurement of your eyes when you close. Algo rápido para cortarnos la. Es muy suave a cortarnos el párpado, pero muy suave y muy chiquito, no tan grande, para que el maquillaje se vea un poco más natural y resalte la sombrita que vamos a usar. So that's perfect for me. Now I'm gonna be using here the ColourPop Frozen, because this has like a shade of blue, little darker. And I'm just gonna get this Morphe, and I'm gonna get the Morphe M50C, that is small, and I'm gonna be taking the little bit of dark and I'm gonna blend with the brown that I put here and blend between them. And I'm gonna put it here and blend between the brown and the cone and the base. And for to pack color on here, I'm gonna be using this marshmallow shade. And then on the top of the marshmallow shade, I'm gonna use this, so it's more like nude, and the name is in the nude. So voy a usar una sombra llamada marshmallow y arriba una desnuda. Todo depende si se quieren hacer un maquillaje mate o un maquillaje shimmer. Yo quiero mucho shimmer en la esquina. You see how gorgeous, look, a little bit of blue with the brown between. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And for the eyebrow bone, I'm gonna be using this shade Shimmery, like Nude Shimmery, and it's the name is Icon. So you're gonna apply Icon just a little bit here. And now with a clean brush, I'm gonna be mixing any product, ningún producto en esta brocha, solo para mezclar. Vamos a mezclar los bordes. Now I'm gonna put my eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm using because super black is this. But you can use a brown as well, but I think they match perfect with the eyelashes. It's One Size by Patrick Star. And I plan to do the teeny tiniest. You see? In this was teeny tiny like this, but I'm gonna put my lashes and I'll be back. And the lashes I'm using are Lilly Lashes in the style Miami. So I'll be back. So hitting the inner corner, I'm using the Into the Blue and Cold Snap. So now you see my face, I just made my foundation and my concealer, and now I go to bronze, contour and all that stuff. But first I want to share with you all some tips that you need to have in mind at the time you're gonna spend all day long with makeup as me. So or you're gonna do any makeup for a bride, or you're gonna make any makeup for bridesmaids, or your own makeup for all day. So the first that I used to prep my face was the Milani Makeup Lab Sunscreen. Remember, I always used to use sunscreen, so that's perfect to prep, set, and all that good stuff. Then I used the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I use this because this helps your foundation stick all day, so it's perfect. And then I tried for the second time the new Too Faced Burn This Way Matte 24 Hours Undetectable Super Long Wear Foundation. They say it's transfer and waterproof and transfer something. My shade is warm beige, so I plan to give more updates later, at least like a third time, so I gonna something to tell you. So to contour I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty to contour in the shade Macchiato, and I love this contour. Then I'm gonna be using the same Fenty Beauty, but my favorite blush, cream blush, to get like more natural tiny effect. You see how gorgeous it is. It is my right or eye. And for the powder, I'm gonna be using Laura Mercier. I'm gonna be mixing, this is the new, the honey shade, and I'm gonna be mixing. So for the mix, I'm gonna be using this and translucent under the eyes, and then the rest of my face in honey. So to bronze my face, I'm gonna be using the Sense Sun Cloud Matte Sunday. It got so pretty shades, and gonna be applying those colors just a little bit, just to reinforce the one shade that you already put it. Okay, for a blush I'm gonna be using Kenya Oliveros, this shade just right here. And for highlighter I'm gonna be using this, like a champagne color, so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. Now I'm gonna sweep up all the powders on my face. So look that gorgeous. It's perfect for a photo shoot. So this is my bling brushes. I'm gonna leave the link down below if you wanted to purchase it. So beautiful, stunning brushes ever. Now on my face looks super blurry, super done. So I'm gonna do the loud part on my eyes and my lips, and that's it. For the waterline, I'm gonna be using this baby blue. We're gonna warm up a little bit on our hands. Para mi base de agua voy a usar este delineador azul, azul celeste, miren qué bonito. Y para el color debajo, miren cómo quedó. Y para el color debajo voy a usar este. Y ahora sí que nuestro maquillaje está hecho, lo vamos a sellar con nuestro gel de color, nuestras cejas. Now that makeup is ready, we're gonna pass the Essence Make Me Brow to set our eyebrows and they don't move here and there, so you can keep the step. After you finish, to put color on your eyes is the best because spray this. I didn't spray the pan. Yeah. So for the center of my face, it's gonna be the Laura Geller. How gorgeous! Just for the nose, wow. So I'm using Kylie Jenner with Balmain. I'm gonna be using this Too Faced Melted Chocolate. Perfect. You see how it is like. And the last step that I'm gonna be using is, so okay, I just wanted to show you how my beautiful travel case that it came in my girly boss look, because came in the perfect time. You see how gorgeous it is, came in the perfect time, so I got everything that I need later on the wedding when I put my dress and all that stuff. So that's everything I want to show you. And here is my bag with all my hair tools and all that, because I plan to try to do some makeup, because I'm gonna do something. Chicas, ese es como el look que doy. Quedé bien contenta porque es un look suave, nada escandaloso, con un poquito de color, para que se den cuenta que al vestirnos no tenemos que siempre usar el ojo del mismo color, pero con un tantito es suficiente. Yo voy súper tarde y llego para hacerme el cabello. De pronto me hago unas ondas y les voy a estar compartiendo las fotitos, porque de pronto no pueda grabar en todo el ajetreo. El matrimonio es a las 2. Espero que les haya gustado este video, y si les gustó comenten abajo cuál fue su parte favorita y si recrearían este look. So guys, and that was the final result. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I did. You know, it's the self glam, it's everything that I wanted. My face looks super blurry like filter. I like it how everything turns. I got my tools here because I'm planning to do some soft waves, just so I got time. The wedding is 2 hours far away, so we are not rushing right now, and my dress is there and everything is there. So if I got time, I'm gonna take a picture and share with y'all to see how was the end result. But I hope you got some ideas when you're gonna go to a wedding or be a bridesmaid or be a bride or whatever. So see you guys, see you the next time. Love you, bye bye. So yes guys, this is how to turn the makeup. This is the dress and my makeup. My hair, I made some waves. So enjoy, see you later.